Good evening, friends. My name is Harinder Pal Singh Chok. My friends call me as Harry. I'm working in the financial sector from last more than 20 years. I am a BCom Honors, MCom, CES, Law graduate and fellow member of Insurance Institute of India. This is my first YouTube video and I have kept the name of my channel as Harry the Knowledge Guru. And why I have kept the name as this? Friends, I want to share with you my life experience, whatever I have learned. I have come across situations where people take small things in a very negligent manner and it is paid finely by our family members and our loved ones. So today topic is love your loved ones and also keep them make aware or educated. What is the intention behind keeping this name? We all know, or rather we all do in our lifetime, lot of investment for our own benefit and for the benefit of our loved one. But is our loved ones are aware of this? You call your wife and ask how many investment you have. You will get the answer. Even in my case, when I called my wife and I asked her how many life insurance policy I have, she was mum. She was having no answer. And it is surprised that I have taken a policy 10 years back, which my wife is not remembering. Then what is the point of use of those assets which you have created for your loved ones if your loved ones are not aware? So it is very important that whatever investment we are making, whether it is in the form of life insurance policies, whether it is in the form of our bank balances, whether it is in the form of shares, mutual funds, or any other investment you have, it should be in the knowledge of your loved ones. Otherwise, there is no point to make such investment. Because what will happen post that? If you are no more, who is going to tell them? So, it is your duty to tell them right now. We all know that in Indian tradition, whenever we talk about death, people shy. People don't want to talk about it. But it is a topic which we should talk about to his family member, especially the nominee. Who is nominee? First of all, let me understand from you. The nominee, as we know, that is a person who is entitled to receive the money post demise of the person. We do make nomination in our life insurance policies, in our bank accounts, in our mutual fund or share investment, and also we make nomination to our employer in various forms which we fill at the time of joining. Our employer do have life insurance policy, accidental insurance policies and other benefits including the provident fund and gratuity nomination. What if our family members are not made aware? Similarly, we should also know one technical fact, that what if the nomination also is dying with us? Then in that case, what will happen? Who will receive the money? Lot of things I will talk about in my coming videos. But presently I am keeping the scope of this video is only that talk to your loved ones, talk to your family members, talk to your nominees about the assets which you have created for them, which they can enjoy during your lifetime and which they are entitled post you when you are not there. So it is very important that you should make them aware the life insurance policies you have. You may have more than one life insurance policies. For example, what if you have 3 life insurance policies and 2 companies are settling the claim and 1 company is not settling the claim? Is your wife is educated enough to know that how she will be dealing such problems? So you have to keep her educating that in such case she should go for legal advice. She should file a consumer case. She should take a legal help, and the other company who has declined the claim will also have to settle the claim. This is the same principle, keeping in merit in the case. Similarly, we do save every month from our salary, a part of the salary which goes towards the provident fund. which one is entitled either at the time of retirement or post his demise. His family members will receive those benefits. That is a nominee. Is your family member is aware? Is your nominee is aware that you have provident fund? Is she aware that how to claim that amount? Is she aware that how much is the amount? Is she aware under what circumstances the gratuity will be payable? It is our moral responsibility, the person's moral responsibility to tell all these facts of life, hard facts of life, rather I will say, to the family member. Similarly, one may have multiple bank accounts. We do make nomination and bank account also. So your wife should be knowing how many bank accounts you have, right? Similarly, we do make small investment in various schemes, whether it is mutual fund, shares, public provident fund, post office scheme, etc., etc., etc. Have you kept accounting of all those investment at one place? Please ask this question to you. I am sure most of the people have no accounting of all those investments. So friends, this is the time to take stock of all those things. We all know that everybody is fighting from this deadly disease called corona, and we don't know who may come within this chapet of this disease. What will happen if all of a sudden something happens and family members are not aware about the investment which you are making for them from a long time? So you should take stock of each and every investment, right? Similarly, your employer has life insurance policies, health insurance policies, and accidental death insurance policy, which you should note down on a piece of paper all the investment which you have and hand it over to your nominee. You should tell them the procedure, how to claim that amount. You will be surprised to know that we all are using credit cards, right? Every credit card has some sort of life insurance component to it. Do you think that these companies will come to you automatically or to your nominee automatically to pay the claims? The answer is no. Do you know how much amount is pending unclaimed with various insurance companies at this point of time? You will be surprised to know the amount, friends. The amount lying unclaimed is more than 37,000 crores. You know, more than 37,000 crores. And why it is lying? Just give a thought to it, why it is lying. Who don't love the money? Don't you think everybody needs money? But still, this is the hard fact of life, and this is the data. I am not telling you from my own, calculations. This is the data which is published by IRDAI in their various reports, which they have collated from the insurers. Just think upon it. What is the reason? What could be the reason of this? The reason is simple, that the nominees are not being made aware. And when the person dies, nominees are not aware how many policies the person has, what is the sum insured of those policies, how to claim the amount, right? So this is the hard fact of our life, those. Please educate your family members. Don't keep them in darkness, because when the sad moment of life will come, you will not be there. You will not be there to tell them all those investments which you have made. So I will request you, either you create a will and time to time revise it, or at least on a simple piece of paper, write down all of your investment and hand over the document to your wife, educating them how you will receive the amount, where from you will receive the amount, what to do if she is not receiving the amount. Provide them in advance some of the legal friends' contact details, contact numbers. Guide them in advance that if there is some problem, whom you can contact, with what is the right authority, For example, if life insurance is denying to pay the claim, they can write to the IRDI. Similarly, if they are not receiving the money from mutual fund, they can write to SEBI. If the bank is denying to prepay the amount, they can write to RBI. All those things you have to educate to your family member, friends. So that's it from my side in this first video of mine. Please do keep on watch my channel. Every week or 10 days time I will keep on sharing with you very interesting topic, simple to understand, critical for our life, which should be known to our family members and loved ones. Thank you very much for watching this. At the last, I will request you, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and keep on watching, and at the same time spread this channel to all of your friends and family members so that everybody can take benefit out of it. Thank you very much, friends. Thank you.